Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by installing and signing into Gmail so you can send and receive email immediately. Open the Play Store or App Store, search Gmail, and tap Install. Once installed, open the app and choose Add Account. Enter your Google credentials and complete two-step verification if prompted. Make sure to grant notifications and contact access so labels, search, and contact suggestions work. Once done, you'll see your inbox load. We'll now set up sync and preferences to make this usable daily. Now configure how your messages arrive and display so you waste less time. Tap the menu, go to Settings, select your account, and pick an inbox type that matches your workflow. For example, unread first if you triage aggressively. Next, set sync to recent days or all mail where needed, and toggle mobile data syncing only when you want to save bandwidth. Customize swipe gestures for archive or delete, create labels to organize threads, and enable conversation view to keep related emails together. Finish by mastering composing, security, and a quick troubleshooting step so you stay productive. When composing, tap the Compose button, add recipients, subject, and use the paperclip to attach files or photos. Smart Compose speeds common phrases. For security, confirm recovery options and review connected devices to revoke anything suspicious. If mail doesn't sync, clear the app cache, update Gmail, or remove and re-add the account. If that still fails, restart your device. This simple step often resolves link.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.